So this is the static flip-flop that I'm putting together for 118. The additional, this is not new. You're adding a NMOS pass gate here, an inverter, another NMOS pass gate, and the rest is the old circuit that was built. So this is how it looks on the breadboard. This guy on the far left, once again, is just I'm using this to buffer the clock to a more reasonable value. And then, so these are the 4007s and these two. And then this is the 4049 chip in the middle. So it's a pretty ugly mess, but I'll show you what I got. So P1, the yellow guy here, is our data coming in. P2, which is this blue line, is our data coming out Q. Right now it's in toggle mode, so that means that our Q bar is plugged up into our data. And this right here is located right here on the schematic before the second capacitor, so we're probing right there. So basically on clock bar we charge up the first capacitor, and then so basically that'll switch this output. So this right here is our incoming data. As you can see, it's low, so our incoming data is low. When clock bar is high, we charge up this cap, and that flips this node, which corresponds to this guy right here. Then when clock bar goes low, which is right here, we're holding on the cap here. We're getting a little bit of charge injection, and that's what we're seeing right here. When clock bar goes low, clock goes high, and this is being, at this point what we're doing is we're charging this capacitor right here, and that's going through this inverter. So this was high, and we charge up that cap, and that gets thrown on the output, which is this guy right here. So as you notice, it's the exact opposite. But you see, on this part of the timing diagram, we're charging up this cap right here. Then we disconnect this switch, but this has the value. So basically, half a period later, we are continuing to hold low. So this is when we set Q, and at this period, this is when we acquire the data in. So this is setting Q. This is when we have data in. So anyways, this is a D flip-flop, static D flip-flop.